Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's tutorial is on how to create a bust dart using your basic bodice block. So in order for me to do this well, I'm going to trace this out on fresh pattern paper and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm done with this now. This is the basic bodice that I have and I just transferred it on here. So if you want to know how to make this basic bodice is so good because you can use it to make so many other different things. So yeah, if you want to know how I made this, I'll leave the link down below in the description box. Now that we're done with that, let's start with our bust dart. So our bust dart is also known as a side dart and it's going to be at the side of your bust. So what's the first thing that you want to do? First thing that you want to do is you want to come down from this point. This is your bust point, right? You want to come down 1 inch. Although if your breasts are the big size, you may want to go for 1.5, and if they're very big, maybe 2. But for the normal size, that should be 1 inch. So I'm just going to go down, make sure that it's aligned with this line, okay? Not like this, don't go down like this, then do no. It should be aligned like this. So 1 inch. So now that you're done with that, you're going to want to come here and then just draw this line like so. Can you see it? Very good. So now you want to get the darts. So you're going to come, so I want my dart to be 1/2 inch, like 1 inch altogether. So I'm going to mark 1/2 inch at each side. So this is it. So for this one, you're going to want to, you're not going to mark from this line now, you're going to mark from, so you're going to go in 1.5 inches. So can you see it? 1.5 inches, which is the standard. Then you can draw your dart lines here. So can you see it? So this is now your dart line. So from this point on, I'm going to go in 1/2 inch and then I'm going to connect this like so. So later on, I'm going to show you why this is important. But first, you know that now we're going to take this in, and this is 1 inch. So when we take it in, we're going to realize that this line is no longer long enough. So what we want to do is that we want to add that inch. We'll add 1 inch to the length of the, okay? So this is how it works. Then you just add that 1 inch all the way down here. So can you see it? So you just add that 1 inch down here. So now that that is done, we're going to cut it out first, and then you see the purpose of this, right? Very good. So now that we have this, so as you can see now, if we want to fold this in, we're going to fold it in like this. So of course this line now, you can see that this place is shorter, right? And that is why we added this one here, because if we just left it like this and then we did not add this 1 inch that we are taking in, then there's going to be an issue because this space is going to be shorter than this place. But now in this case, it has evened it out, okay? And also the reason why I like leaving this triangle is so that when I cut my fabric, I know that okay, this is where my dart is supposed to start. Do you understand? This is where my dart is supposed to be. So all I just need to do is just fold it in, measure the length, and I'm good to go. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. Please subscribe and like and comment if you find this video helpful, and I'll see you later. Bye.